Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking in on oil. So a bearish reversal candlestick day and a pretty big pullback, losing the middle Bollinger Band and 100-day moving average supports. I don't really use the moving average supports here on the daily time frames as much as I do previous price action on the shorter term time frames. That's my way of charting these commodities. So clearly a bearish day, but we are still maintaining higher lows over this bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 higher lows in a row. But obviously the close at the low of the day does indicate weakness heading into next week. The weekly time frame is rejecting from the middle Bollinger Band resistance. That 100-week resistance is always looming. We need to keep an eye on it. And the 50-week is support. That's where we're going to be looking on a pullback. But the bulls really don't want to break $43, the low of this consolidation. They want that to be just one stair step higher, $43, continuing to the upside. So we had some bearish breaks here on the hourly. We had a nice uptrend forming. Bearish reversal candlestick highlighted yesterday confirmed. That right there lets you know profit taking is coming. So that tells you don't want to be in a bullish position overnight because we don't know how significant the profit taking is going to be. So we rejected from the downtrend resistance line. We lost the first strong uptrend support line. Let's get rid of that. That has now been broken. We lost the second weaker uptrend line. That is now resistance. So that was a big setback for the bulls. And another big setback, losing the low of this candlestick, 45.78. So we are now no longer stair-stepping higher with a higher low uptrend on the hourly. That has been reversed. So we're now going to have to find a new support. I'm looking at 45.50. We had some resistance here previously, multiple rejections. We'll now look for that to act as support. The RSI is oversold here, so we are looking for a new support to be found soon. So that 45.50 area looks like a good spot for the bulls to show up. Let's look at it on some different time frames. I always like getting a different picture of things. Bearish MACD cross on the 4-hour chart, leading to further downside and a break of that higher low pattern. And looking like we're going to tighten up this range a little bit in terms of losing some of the volatility we've seen in the past few days. I expect a higher low to form and then a lower high, higher low tightening up before a clear break. So we're in the process of establishing a new support, and after 7 red 4-hour candlesticks in a row, we are looking for that to happen overnight here, potentially, and if not, then on Sunday. So again, after the new support is found, we're going to be looking for just a short-term bounce because the short-term trend has now shifted to the bears. So we'll be looking at this downtrend hourly resistance line. That will be a nice rejection point, a potential bearish entry opportunity. So we'll be keeping an eye on oil and this downtrend line and looking to see where we can draw a new uptrend line once a new low is established. I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great weekend.